Hello everyone, I'm Jenna here at Aspire Integrated Health. I'm going to show you how we use the Anodyne boot, or the light boot like we call it here, for our neuropathy patients. So this is our Anodyne light boot. This is infrared light, so this goes 2 to 3 inches into the tissue for increased healing, increased circulation, increased blood flow. It helps the cells turn over more quickly. So this is just strapped around the front of her calf, so the light is behind her calf. And then this is strapped above her foot, and the light is underneath of her foot. It plugs into the wall, and you will just turn on the on switch, and you will see the green light come on. You will not see a light emit from the boot, but you may feel a slight warming of the light, and this will run for 30 minutes. It has an internal timer, and you will use this once in the morning, once at night. And then Alicia, do you want to show them? You may be able to see it in your phone camera a little bit better.